2025 growth, making 2026 still a bit stronger in comparison. This offsets some of the impact from the current shock. We still have growth rising to around 2% over the next few years, but we now see downside risks to the outlook. Moving to prices, inflation was 3% for February, with core inflation also at 3%. This is precisely in line with our target. Higher energy prices will raise inflation in the near term. We expect headline will soon accelerate to around 4%, with fuel inflation over 18% for the second quarter. Our baseline forecast then has a gradual unwinding of the shock, taking inflation back to 3% late next year.